kidney infection. They said it was from drinking apple cider vinegar, but I think it was from having to hold in my urine at the Republican National Convention. I just wanted to check in, make sure you're all doing well. Things are a little hectic this time of year. Halloween is coming up, and I don't know what I'm gonna be. So I'll just be me. Me, I'll just be me. Who else can I be? I tried to be a doctor. I tried to be a reverend. Heck, I tried to run for Senate. But at the end of the day, a clown will always remain a clown.
About to switch once again. Get it delivered at Uber Eats instead. It's so easy. All it takes is a few taps.
Don't want to give anybody free advertisement on this show. Oh. Ooh. Nothing like a cup of American coffee. This is Black Rifle coffee. And all of the money is sent to Israel. Citizens of the world, I sincerely hope that all of you are in a clear state of mind and a clear and willing state of heart. I'm sorry that I left you for so long, my babies. Sometimes clowns got to do what a clown's got to do. The jester, the fool. Patience. Patience. I told you what I was going to do.
Oh, why can't you behave? Oh, why can't you behave? Hi. Really? You're sitting out here in your little paint? Well, meanwhile, we got a storm going on. I knew I'd find you here. Yeah. Hi. Let me get in here. Hi, guys.
What are you doing here?
It's the middle of a storm. Well, about to be.
Out of here.
Oh, no. I don't think you want me. How are you doing? You got anything? Huh? Right in the flood zone? Sitting out here? Having fun with your little fan club? Hi.
Get the fuck out of here.
I think I'll sit right here just for a little longer. Yeah.
This isn't funny.
Uh-huh.
What the fuck are you doing here? Seriously.
Once again, we have a storm coming up, and I knew you weren't gonna do anything to...
Get the fuck out of here. Why? Seriously, I'm doing something. Why would you fucking interrupt?
You're doing a stream.
I'm gonna have to edit this shit. What the fuck?
Uh-huh. You're gonna have to
Fool.
edit it. No. Continue with your little show. Come on. I'll act like I'm not even here. Come on.
I will fucking physically move you from this room.
Okay.
You're
Yeah.
on my property now.
And
And you're breaking the law.
I'm not.
So get the fuck out of here.
No, continue with your little
Scram.
show.
Oh,
Really mature of you,
that's
really.
part of the show. You just made the whole show. Good for you. Another thing that's all about you.
No, continue talking. No, I'll leave in a second. Just like, continue. I'm gonna watch.
You can watch from home. Get the fuck out of here, Dakota. Get out of here. What the fuck?
Sorry, guys. Oh my god, you're such a fake ass motherfucker. This is what you'd rather be doing. For real. You're gonna
Go.
fucking
Get out
die.
of here. Get out of here. I'm fine.
Okay, fine.
Get out of here. Now.
Fine, I'm fucking leaving.
Well, doesn't the air smell finer now that the bitch has left the room? Ah!
Fucking asshole! Good luck! Fucking bitch!
Oh, fuck. Oh, that's hot as fuck. Oh, fucking shit. Oh. 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 Holy fucking shit. Oh my god, that's fucking hot. She burned my fucking face. I guess we've all been there, eh, fellas? Oh, that burns. Oh. Ah, she burned me. And my Black Rifle coffee's gone, too. That's $3.75 a fucking cup. Good luck affording it on your $0 a week budget. Well, who's this lady watching? Make sure she's fucking gone. I said, get the fuck out of my place. Get out. I want to hear the fucking door close behind you. It's my favorite fucking sound.
Go fuck yourself.
I will gladly. Try to break my guitar. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. What the fuck is she doing? Hey. Oh, citizens of the road, they're right back. Dakota?
What do you want?
Come here.
Oh,
Fucking
I
touch
really
my
should
shit.
lie
You're gonna break my shit.
everything, and that's how you're gonna act? What? Asshole.
No.
Fucking asshole!
What?
You are going to... I'm out. I'm actually out. All I did was bring you fucking supplies. And like every single time, you're an ungrateful piece of shit.
Don't step on my microphone.
That's all you're worried about, really? Oh, I hope you fucking die here. All alone. Fuck! Are you okay? Are you gonna be okay?
I don't know, fellas. What do you think? Am I gonna be okay?
Oh my god, this isn't a fucking game! You were supposed to evacuate!
No, dear, that's where you're wrong. It is a game. And I'm up 7-0. You just put yourself in the negative. Good luck climbing back. It's gonna be fun to watch. Now get the fuck out of here. Okay.
Fucking asshole! Damn it.
I hope you all got a kick out of that. It's what I like to call reverse domestic violence. You know, men are actually 10 times more likely to be abused by their partner. Thankfully, I don't have a partner. Is she gone for real, or is she breaking my stuff? You better get out, or I will fuck you up. I have no choice.
I think I'm staying. I'm gonna stay.
If you wanna stay, you better shut the fuck up. 'Cause I won't deal with your stupid blonde shit. I don't care if you're angry at me. I don't have feelings and nothing hurts me. Choke me and punch me and hit me in the face. Nothing matters 'cause I'm a disgrace. I'm a fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
You know that, don't you?
Here's another one I wrote for you. Dumb bitch. Dumb bitch. Why do you have to be a dumb bitch? Merry fucking Christmas now. Scram. You got your anger out. You got your anger out. Now go.
No.
You're fucking up the show.
Good. Nobody should be watching this piece of garbage anyway. What do you want? No.
Well, I guess she ain't leaving. She loves me. She loves me, so she won't leave. Right, Dakota?
I just want to make sure you don't fucking kill
Everybody
yourself
saw
by the end
her
of this.
How would I kill myself? By hanging? By
Oh God, I
dying?
pray.
I couldn't kill myself if I tried. Don't you understand?
Pussy.
Nothing kills me, nothing hurts me.
Yeah, right.
Especially not some fucking little girl. Sometimes, gentlemen, we go through these times in our lives where we say, what the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do? I dug myself a hole today because I talked to her today. Now she won't leave my condo, but she knows I know Taekwondo.
This is so
You have no
stupid.
hands, you can't fucking fight. You try to punch me and I just go, doesn't hurt a single bit. Just because you're violent and you smell like shit. How long it's been since you've showered?
You're
I'm
a
keeping
fucking
this now.
asshole.
We have
Stop! Can you stop?
Good luck, everyone. Sure, during the hurricane. Mine now. You
I
wanna get
fucking
your-
hate you. Why are you doing this?
She's got one shoe and she smells like garlic. gold, I have paints, I have colors, I have cigarettes, and I have self-respect.
Oh, yeah.
What do you have?
Sure.
Mental health issues? That's right. Psych ward. Why don't you tell them about that?
Me? No, more like
She went to a
you.
mental institution because she's crazy. Oh, now you got no shoes. Good for you. Well, the show's going to hell, so thank you. Now get your shoeless, stinking ass off of me. You stink, for real. You stink.
How'd that coffee feel?
Felt fine. It's nothing compared to your BO. You smell like someone opened a bag of Lay's. Go take a shower. Go take a shower. I'll sit here in this putrid stench all night if I have to. I'm not going to attack you. I know you want me to, but I won't. Cop caller, cop caller.
You guys have no idea how annoying this motherfucker is.
Taking over the show, making it all about her. Yes, what an actress. What a musical superstar. You should go on The Voice. How about that? Would you like to sing a song? Ooh, you stink. Your breath stinks too. How long's it been since you brushed those teeth?
You see what I have to deal with?
Yeah. Go get me a cigarette, bitch. Go get me a cigarette. If you want to stay here, you'll get me a cigarette. If you want to stay, you will get me a cigarette. I will let you stay.
You will let me!
I will let you. No resistance. If you go get me a cigarette now.
Get your own cigarette.
Get me a cigarette. Go fucking get me a cigarette.
You want to
Fetch.
play these games?
Fetch.
No, I think I'll sit right here and just watch you.
Some partner, huh?
Oh, I thought you said you didn't have a partner, huh?
Some partner, eh? Useless. Well, I'll go get my cigarettes. Don't you fucking touch my microphone and stay off the goddamn camera. Be right back, fellas.
Thanks a lot. You fucking stinking ass. You stink.
No!
You stink. Hit my balls.
I'll let you stay anyway. 'Cause I'm sick in the head. I got another song for you.
It's the personal
This
price
brief
plan
ad from
theorem.
State
If you
Farm.
bundle home and auto, that can equal an affordable price just for you. Bundle.
If I had my assistant here to help, the show would run a lot smoother. Unfortunately, women are unreliable. They have their moments and their days, and they can't do anything because they're just feeling, I don't know, I just don't feel, I feel off. Go to work. Go to fucking work and take a shower.
Who's the
How about
one
that?
who
How about
fucking
that?
drove all the way here to fucking deliver you supplies?
No supplies.
You don't
gave me
have a fucking
box of
car.
chips and a fucking thing of Mountain Dew. That ain't supplies.
I got
Oh, there's a
cans of
hurricane.
fucking
I don't
soup.
need cans of soup. I got cigarettes. I'm fine. I told you that.
You are so mature, aren't you?
The fuck about being mature? At least I shower. It's a fucking...
Wow.
Direction. Do you know, you have no shower? Is your water turned off? The hurricane hasn't hit yet, so what's your excuse?
Really?
Depression?
Really?
Did you not take your meds?
Really?
Oh, I didn't take my meds. My meds.
You're the one who
Here's
smells
my
like
meds.
fucking piss.
Oh, I smell like piss now.
Yeah, you do.
A little late on that one. I think if I smelled like piss, you would have brought that up when I pointed out the fact that you
Oh,
smell
I'm a little bit nicer than you are.
You smell like stale garlic bread. Smell like onion rings that have been sitting at the bottom of the
Hey,
fryer.
why are you shaking so much, huh?
I'm nervous. I was just assaulted. You used to like when I shook for you, baby. What happened? Did your manic state wear off? You're up? You fucking sick bastard. You're going back to the psych ward. You are. Watch.
Listen to him. Listen.
I'll lock your ass up. In
Yep.
the psych ward.
Why were you gone for so long, huh?
I had a kidney infection.
Sure, that's what you tell everyone, right?
I was gone because I needed a break.
You're
You know
gone
what that
because
is?
you're
When you leave somebody
fucking...
alone? You can't quit me. You can't quit me. I'm your cigarette. How the fuck did you even get in here?
You leave the fucking door open. Your house is covered in fucking shit.
Yeah, well, I'm moving things around. There's a hurricane coming.
Uh-huh.
Fucked up the entire vibe, Dakota. The vibe of my life.
Boo fucking who?
I'll tell you who. Fucking uppity ass blonde. Now listen to your goddamn song and be quiet. I remember the day that I met you. We were in an Arby's parking lot. I told you that the cheese was good but kinda weird. And you said, cheese is cheese. That was when I knew that I was fucked. And for the past 10 years, I've bent over every fucking day and taken it. I didn't end up in no psych ward. Nobody cares about little Dominique. I let my mental illness flourish. You haven't given it time to bloom, miss, do you understand? Feelings come and go, like fall leaves on the snow, melting away, going away somewhere. Melt into the ground. See the face of a lonely clown. I'd rather watch you sing than drown. I mean every word.
Are you done?
Not yet. Okay, now I'm done. Couldn't even wait till the end of the fucking song.
You're insufferable.
Well, there goes the show, fellas. There goes the show. Thanks a lot. Really, I'm glad. Now you have a place to stay. You want to go take a shower? My shower's open. It's clean.
Sure.
Go spray yourself down. There's a hose outside. It's going to be raining here any minute. Hurricane. You want to die with me in the hurricane?
No.
You're sick. You're going back.
I'm so fucking tired of this shit.
Yeah, you are.
I don't want to deal with this
Take a shower
anymore.
and sleep. You can sleep on the floor.
I'm not sleeping here.
Oh, yeah? Where are you going to sleep?
Somewhere else. Maybe in someone else's bed.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Truly. Yes, truly. You found another bed. Good for you. It's so hard for women to find beds to lay in, isn't it? Oh, it's so difficult. Women can never find a man to take them home and to bed. Be with a one-night stand miscreant that you met at some filthy dive bar after playing your little songs. Spend the hurricane with some fucking goofed up hipster who's taking a handful of Adderall and drinking 25 Coronas. Go ahead. Be with them. Don't be with the clean, the mesmerizing, 151 IQ, the genius, the Dominique.
Genius?
Genius.
Genius. I wouldn't call you a genius. I'd call you a psychopath.
What's the difference?
Oh, there's a big one.
People don't want to see this. Don't touch my microphone. Don't you touch my microphone.
I think we're done with this.
Don't touch my microphone.
I think we're done with this.
I think you're done with this. Scram.
Huh.
I got some ding-dongs inside. Why don't you go eat them? Go eat some ding-dongs and get a shower. Oh, for fuck's sake. I truly don't know what to do, fellas, for the first time. Get your mug out of my shot. Get your mug out of my shot. Go.
Do you see how much of a diva he is? Oh god, you got shit all over my shirt.
Oh, this is the show now. Another thing you've taken over. You're like fucking cancer. Everything in my life.
Why do you keep calling me that? You
I
still owe
didn't
me
call
money,
you.
by the way.
Oh yeah, I owe you money?
Yeah, you
Go
do.
inside, go into the bedroom, go into the top drawer. Take as much cash as you want and get the fuck out of here. Go. Take the cash and go. Really. Dakota. Go inside. Take as much cash as you want and go. Dakota.
You're gonna die out here, and you're not taking care of yourself.
Dakota. Take
Are you
the
gonna
cash
stop this?
and go.
You need to evacuate, you know that.
I'm not evacuating. This is my fucking home.
Come on!
You evacuate. Evacuate my apartment. Take the cash and go. You can have it all. Really.
No.
You can't do this. You can't just fucking come in like this, Dakota. You can't.
You've done it to me plenty of times before. How many times have you ruined my shows? Gotten up on the stage drunk?
3 times.
3 times too many. A regular boyfriend or a good guy wouldn't do that.
I never said I was a good guy. Take the fucking cash, Dakota. All of it. Go.
No.
Go. Get out of here, Dakota. I don't want to see you. I don't want to see you.
You don't?
I'm gonna turn this off. I'm turning this off. Get out. Well, see you on the other side, fellas.